World Meteorological Organization squares or WMO squares is a system of geocodes that divides a chart of the world with latitude-longitude grid lines into grid cells of 10° latitude by 10° longitude, each with a unique, 4-digit numeric identifier. On the plate carrée copyright E projection the grid cells appear square, however if the Mercator projection is used, the grid cells appear stretched vertically nearer the tops and bottoms of the map. On the actual surface of the globe, the cells are approximately square only adjacent to the equator, and become progressively narrower and tapered as they approach the poles, and cells adjoining the poles are unique in possessing 3 faces rather than 4. Each 10° x 10° square is allocated a number between 1000 and 7817. The numbering system is based first on global quadrant numbers where 1 equals NE, 3 equals SE. 5 equals SW, 7 equals NW which gives the initial digit of any square code. The second digit indicates the number of tens of degrees latitude of the minimum square boundary, that is a cell extending between 10° N and 20° N has this digit equals 1, a cell extending between 20° N and 30° N has this digit equals 2, etc. The third and fourth digits similarly indicate the number of tens of degrees of longitude of the minimum square boundary, nearest to the Prime Meridian. By way of illustration, the square 1000 thus extends from 0° N to 10° N, 0° E to 10° E, and the square 7817 from 80° N to 90° N, 170° W to 180° W, adjacent to the major portion of the international date line. In this manner, reverse engineering the relevant square boundaries from any particular WMO square identifier is straightforward, in contrast to some other similar systems, for example Marsden squares. WMO squares are also used as the basis for the C-squares spatial indexing system, which further divides 10° x 10° WMO squares into smaller units of 5° x 5°, 1° x 1°, 0.5° x 0.5°, 0.1° x 0.1°, and so on. See also, geocode, grid, Marsden square / squares, QDGC.